How can the DNA be activated in meditation? That is a question which comes often when we have our Amrita Siddhi class. But when you attend the class, you will understand how easily it can be done. What science takes many, many years to do research, to find out, to test on people, and then finally come out with the results and finally tell us how to do this. When we do it in the spiritual world, it becomes very easy, because there is always a saying, spirituality begins where science ends. Science is a lot of questions. You keep on questioning, there is logic, and then we try to explain so many things. So science does that, and it takes much longer to achieve things in science. But in the spiritual world, it's not questions, it's the answers that we get. It is the belief, the faith, and what we do with it that gives us the result. So when we go into a very powerful state of meditation and we activate the pineal gland, which carries the DNA, which carries the master DNA, we can say, then automatically the entire DNA in the body gets activated, and we see a lot of result when we do this. When the DNA gets activated, all the 23 pairs of chromosomes which carry the genetic inputs from our ancestors, all of them get activated. Many of them are dormant otherwise. And once they get activated, life really changes. You become a much better person in every sense of the word. It can be physical health, it can be the mind energy, both become excellent. And youth and vitality. This is the main statement which we give when we activate the DNA. The particularly youth, the chromosome which carries youth and vitality. This is what I say, because all of us need better health. We need better mind energy, better enthusiasm level, which means youth means when you are in a better state, both physically and mentally. So everybody wants that. And by activating the DNA, we find that this is really, really happening, because over a period of years, almost I think 15 to 20 years, when I started this meditation, particularly Amrita Siddhi class, we have seen so much results from our Alpha Siddhas. So definitely the DNA activation works.